Vakomana naDaniel Garo vaya panapa vachiexposewa vachifaiwa pamusoro pemassive corruption iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa there are some town council senior executive vanoonekwa kunzi aiwa vachiri papayroll, kunyange zvazvo zviri kuonekwa kunzi these guys vane 3 years aiwa vari in prison. Chidiko chinasi kushamisa credibility netransparency irimo mulocal governance. Sanapinda mashoko atiri kuona kuti aiwa the Mira Masvingo yava yakavhumura zvese kuti aiwa vakomana ava aiwa they are deep seated in corruption. Nobva subscribe like or on the bell icon. Tipira the Mira Masvingo amudanyora chiti in a clear demonstration of a totally broken down governance system, 3 zvichave town council senior executives are still on their local authorities payroll despite now serving the second of their 3 years sentences in prison. The 3 criminals, Tinoda Makutu, Nhlanhla Ngwenya and Dominic Makwashike, were convicted and jailed by a court of law in October 2023 in a deal involving $1.3 million, but were not formally discharged from work by council and the Minister of Local Government. A labor law expert said without the dismissals, the 3 are still employees and are entitled to the pays and the full benefits. The expert says the problem lies with the local government that do due diligence. An insider said that the 3 convicted criminals are owed $108,000 during the time that they are in prison. This is ratepayers' money at a time when the local authorities is failing to pay workers salaries. Mashoko ari kuda panapa achipfumura aiwa vana Daniel Garo. Mashoko ari kuda panapa achiexposewa aiwa neThe Mira Masvingo atiri kuona kuti aiwa vari kuuya panapa vachimiririra citizens just because the taxpayers money panguva ino is being misused. Iri kuuya panapa ichienda kune nezvigananda for self enrichment. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.